Begin with Attain adhesion to create a base layer. You'll want a small amount of product on one side of the brush. Starting in the center of the nail, scrub the gel into the nail plate. For this step, shimmy and move the brush around to coat the entire nail with a thin layer. Any product touching the skin can be removed with the scraper side of the cuticle pusher. Cure the nails for a full 60-second cycle in the Attain lamp. Apply another layer of Attain adhesion with a bit more product this time. Use lighter pressure to deposit product. The nail should have a smooth, rounded surface with a medium thickness and apex. Do not cure. Using Attain strength and the spoon, we are going to add to our wet gel layer. Place the finger over the jar and sprinkle a small amount of Attain strength over the entire wet gel surface. Too much powder will make the overlay more opaque and dry, so use sparingly. Tap off excess back into the jar. Cure for a full 60-second cycle in the Attain lamp. After curing, cleanse the nail with Attain Clean and a nail wipe. The nail should feel rigid, strong, with a matte finish. If the nail feels too rough or has an uneven shape, use the Attain buffer to smooth and refine. Cleanse the nail again to remove all dust. Using Attain matte, we are going to create a stain-resistant finish. Apply a thin, even coat over the entire nail, being mindful of not touching the skin. Cure for 60 seconds in the Attain lamp. Cleanse the nail with a fresh wipe and Attain Clean cleanser. You now have an Attain Strength protective overlay with a matte finish. Your Attain Strength overlay will make your nails feel rigid and strong and protect them with a completely discreet natural look. This overlay lasts 2 to 4 weeks before needing to be maintained or removed. Follow our backfill or removal tutorials for more information.